Here's how you can loop a video on YouTube using your iPad. Let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely become part of our community so you don't miss anything important. So the first step would be actually to open up the App Store and look up the YouTube app, because it might happen that there is an update available, and I just want to make sure that you are running the latest version of the app. But then we can move over into the YouTube, of course, and open up any video in full screen that you actually want to loop and make sure that it gets repeated over and over again. So you can get it inside like that, and then tap on the settings icon in the top right corner of the actual video player. And you can see that a couple of options are present in here, but just tap on more, and then the loop should be visible. So we also have some other things as well, but the looping is definitely right there and at the top, meaning that if you enable it, the video will repeat itself after it is finished, right? So that is the thing that you are probably looking for. I'm not going to make the video any longer than it needs to be, so I'm going to wrap it up right now. Let me know if you managed to make it work. Subscribe for more similar tips and videos like this one, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.